Okay, there's a couple other commands that can come in handy pretty often, so I want to go ahead and cover those in our next example. Go ahead and jump back to your module directory and open up step 16, which is called More Ajax Commands. Go ahead and copy the entire code and paste it over the code that's currently in your interact.module file, and then save it. Okay, let's go ahead and work through these line by line. We have our previous two examples here. Our first new one is called Ajax Command Changed, and when we run this, a class will get added to the elements that we pass as the first parameter. This class doesn't have any styling, but we could add some styling to it if we wanted to demonstrate that some area of the page has changed to the user. This next command, Ajax Command CSS, allows us to change the CSS properties of an element whenever this Ajax call is run. So what we're doing is taking the change.me element that we've been working with before, and we're passing it an array of key value pairs where the key is the CSS property and the value is the value that we're setting for that property. So what will happen is that the background color will change, and then we'll add a border, a dashed border around this item. We'll add some margin, and we'll add some padding around this change.me item. The next command allows us to generate a JavaScript alert when this call is run. And so we call Ajax command alert, and then we pass it just a single parameter, which is the text that we'll display in that command. Okay, so what I'm going to do is save this and then refresh the page so we can watch this, but let's go through real quick and see again what we were looking for. So we're looking for a new class on the change.me element that demonstrates that the item is changed. We'll see some new styling on it, and we'll see an alert that says this is an alert command. Okay, I'm going to save this file, then I'm going to jump back to the browser and refresh the page, and I'm going to click our link. So we got our previous styling changes and alert from our previous examples. And then we have our new command, which says this is an alert command. I'm just going to hit OK to get out of it. And we have some new styling on our change.me div here. And if we inspect this element, I'm going to right click and go to Inspect Element. And we'll see here that this has a class of Ajax changed now. And we can use this class in order to change the styling if we'd like, rather than necessarily applying CSS changes directly using the CSS command.